everyone, welcome. How are you doing today? Are you looking for brand cosmetics and beauty products? We have thousands of them. You can choose from thousands of options. You can choose everything you need for your friends and family. Are you kidding with us? No, I'm serious. When I say we have thousands of beauty products, I mean it. And when I say we have everything you need, I say it confidently. A thing of beauty is joy forever, says John Keats, the poet of love and beauty. We all love beauty, and beautification is definitely an art, isn't it? You can use become a joy forever for your lovely, near and dear ones. All beauty product links are given below. Check now. I'm sure once you are in, you will be amazed at all excellent products and you will just keep coming in future. Why I'm so confident? Because we recommend only those products that we use and 100% satisfied with. Every single penny will worth it. Frankly speaking, the best product links are furnished below for you. Check now. Keep social distancing and be safe.